This is August here with Off-Leash Canine Training and Hoyt, who has just joined us for his boarding training. Hoyt is about 6 months old and a German short-haired pointer. He has a lot of energy and his main goals are for the home, so he gets a little too excited with his human sibling. We're going to run him through his commands now. Hoyt, heel. 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 Hoyt, sit. 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 Down. 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 Good job, buddy. As you can see, he kind of needs a solid beginning foundation. He has a good little personality and he's not reactive to people or dogs. We're just here to kind of rein him in and teach him how to behave day to day in exciting situations. I'm excited to see how he grows.